Extra income awaits with these top affiliate programs for SMMAs. Did you know that affiliate programs can significantly boost your revenue? Imagine making extra income effortlessly just by partnering with the right brands. Let's dive into the concept of affiliate programs and their importance for social media marketing agencies. These partnerships are not just beneficial, they're essential for scaling your business and maximizing your income potential. One of the biggest challenges for social media marketing agencies is finding reliable income streams. Often, you're working on a project-by-project basis, making it tough to predict your monthly earnings. That's where affiliate marketing steps in. By joining forces with the right brands and promoting their products or services, you can generate a steady stream of passive income. This can help you achieve financial stability and take your business to the next level. So join me as I explore the world of affiliate marketing and uncover the top programs that can boost your income as an SMMA. Explore some top affiliate programs suitable for SMMAs, detailing their benefits, commission structures, and how they align with social media marketing. But here's the thing, not all affiliate programs are created equal. Some offer better commission rates than others, while some may be more relevant to your audience than others. That's why it's so important to do your research and find affiliate programs that align with your business goals and values. By doing so, you can create a lucrative additional income stream that can help you take your business to the next level. Of course, finding the right affiliate programs can be a challenge in itself. You need to consider factors like commission rates, cookie durations, and the level of support provided by the affiliate program. But with the right research and strategy, you can overcome these challenges and start generating a steady stream of passive income. Moving on, let's explore some top affiliate programs that are suitable for social media marketing agencies. These programs offer a range of benefits, from high commission rates to dedicated support teams, and can help you generate a lucrative additional income stream. For example, ShareASale is a popular affiliate network that offers a wide range of products and services, as well as a user-friendly dashboard that makes it easy to track your earnings. Another great option is Refersion, which offers a high commission rate and a dedicated support team to help you get started. When it comes to affiliate programs, one standout option is Commission Junction. With a vast network of brands and a user-friendly dashboard, Commission Junction makes it easy to find products that align with your audience and start generating commissions. Plus, their dedicated support team is always on hand to help you overcome any challenges you may face. But what really sets Commission Junction apart is its potential for high earnings. With top brands like Target and Home Depot on board, you can generate a significant income stream by promoting their products to your audience. I've heard from so many social media marketing agencies that have seen huge success with Commission Junction. For example, one agency I know saw a huge spike in income after partnering with Commission Junction and promoting their brands to their audience. The agency's owner told me that she was able to generate an extra $5,000 per month just by promoting Commission Junction's brands, which was a total game changer for her business. In this video, we've explored the world of affiliate marketing and looked at some top affiliate programs that can help social media marketing agencies generate a lucrative additional income stream. By partnering with the right brands and promoting their products or services to your audience, you can create a steady stream of passive income that can help you achieve financial stability and take your business to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos on affiliate marketing strategies. Subscribe to my channel and leave a comment sharing your experiences with affiliate programs.